Best deals. These products are lightweight and twist mops for floor cleaning, make cleaning less tiring. The moppers for cleaning floor come with a comfortable grip and a compact design for easy storage. It's perfect for daily mopping and thorough cleaning tasks, making it the ultimate home cleaning machine. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Spin Mop. This spin mop and mop bucket combo ensures quick and hassle-free floor cleaning. It's strong and durable. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Duster. Brush is made up of anti-slip plastic handle and contains a hole. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Mop for floor. You can clean and wring the mop without the need for an additional wringing bucket. Just pull the handle to slide it over the mop head to remove hair and dirt on the mop pad and wring out the water. Mop will not scratch the floors, is safe for all floor surfaces, such as wood, laminate, tiles, marble, ceramic floors, composite floors and even ceilings. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Vacuum Cleaner. Enjoy hassle-free cleaning sessions with the removable dust box feature. Simply detach, empty, and reattach for uninterrupted cleaning power, ensuring your vacuum cleaner is always ready for action. Achieve pristine cleanliness wherever you go, with no corner left untouched. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Window Cleaner. With the magnetic double-sided window cleaning set, you can effortlessly clean both sides of your windows from indoors. No need to lug around ladders for outdoor cleaning. By following the proper cleaning ways, you can avoid streaks on the windows, making the task easier and safer. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Duster. The bendable microfiber duster head is more convenient than ordinary dusters. It can be adjusted to any angle, that makes it easier to clean the dust hiding in high corner. This duster can be used to clean the ceiling, wall, furniture, car in any reachable zone. It's flexible and durable. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Sponge Mop. Crafted with a sturdy stainless steel handle, mop ensures long-lasting durability and stability during use, providing a reliable cleaning solution for your home or office. Mop design allows for smooth and easy maneuvering around furniture and tight spaces, ensuring thorough cleaning without hassle or strain. Equipped with a convenient wringer lever. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Steam Mop. With a super quick 20-second heat up time and 1300W powerful steam, mop your floors spotlessly clean in one swipe. With a 5 meters long cord, Steam Mop Swipe provides the freedom to clean without the hassle of constantly switching outlets or overextending yourself. Transition seamlessly from hard floors to carpets with our Carpet Glider attachment, ensuring a thorough cleaning throughout your home. Steam naturally sanitizes surfaces, killing 99.99% of bacteria and germs, and deodorizes floors, making it an environment-friendly choice. Steam Mop Swipe does not use any chemicals, making it ideal for kids or pets who eat off the floor. It helps you keep your house not only germ-free but also chemical-free, so you do not have to tolerate any strong odor. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Rake. Is quite lightweight for both young man and elder people, easily rakes up clippings, leaves, loose lawn and garden debris without damaging plants. Perfect for working under hedges, in flower beds and hard-to-reach roof without concern. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Vacuum Cleaner. Compact and easy to maneuver. Easily reaches up high. Lightweight and ergonomic to clean high up places with one smooth motion. It's strong and durable, offers longevity. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Bathroom Cleaning Brush. You can access all areas with the home tub and tile floor scrubbing brush. This has been made possible by our high-grade durable long telescopic handle. Scrubber is made of high-quality PP material, stainless steel and iron, while threaded joints tighten the rods with firm locking. The padded handle provides a soft, non-slip and comfortable grip, making it easy to hold even when wet. When cleaning is done, you can hang your bathroom scrubber on the wall using the utility hook, keeping clutter to a minimum. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Spin Mop. The dual bucket system of the mop ensures hygienic cleaning by keeping clean water separate from dirty water, preventing cross-contamination. With a dedicated clean water bucket, the mop provides consistently fresh water, delivering superior cleaning results. Mop is designed to clean various floor types. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Flat mop. Used for dry mopping as well as wet mopping, also used to clean walls, ceilings, glass windows. Superior microfiber technology helps in trapping fine dirt, easily cleans dirt, dust, hair, pet hairs and dander. Height adjustable telescopic handle, ensures it reaches nooks and corners easily, comes with scraper to easily clean the mop head. Refills can also be machine washed. Durable, the mop comes with easy to change refill mechanism. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Flat mop. With built-in spray, this mop redefines squeezing with a revolutionary push and pull design. Your mop effortlessly squeezes itself, making excess water a thing of the past. Experience the joy of hands-free squeezing, turning your cleaning routine into a delightful dance rather than a chore. This is a versatile cleaning tool that combines the advantages of a water spray, squeezing and a flat mop. The slim design helps to use mop into tight spaces. The toothbrush-style scraper helps to clear hairs, dirt, and small dust particles with precision. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Vacuum. Large dusting head with thick soft microfiber. This car auto duster suck up dust, dirt, pollen or residue in and one pass all done way. Clean and shine your car home or outdoors. Cleaning kit can not only be used for cars, home and office is also perfectly recommended to remove dust. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Cleaning brush. Effortlessly tackle dirt, grime, and stains on tiles, hardwood floors, patios, and concrete with this versatile floor scrub brush. Designed for all your indoor and outdoor cleaning needs, this brush is capable of withstanding up to 100 kilograms of pressure, making it perfect for heavy-duty scrubbing tasks. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Flat mop. This also safely cleans up all types of flooring, including tiles, vinyl, and hardwood, with ease using our reusable microfiber pads. It also collects hairs, food crumbs, and dust, and can be conveniently washed in your washing machine. Flat mop with bucket is equipped with the latest technology and turns at 360 degrees for comprehensive floor cleaning. Designed with convenience in mind for maximum efficiency. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Spin bucket mop. With innovative spin technology, this mop allows you to effortlessly wring out excess water, leaving the mop damp enough for effective cleaning without making a mess. The mop's stainless steel wringer is not only durable but also ensures smooth wringing, making it easy to control the level of moisture in the mop for optimal cleaning performance. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Mop. Harnessing the power of steam for effective home cleaning, requiring no harsh chemicals, making it ideal for families with children and pets. Cleans floors and furniture, upholstery for comprehensive cleaning. Ergonomic handle with adjustable height, foldable design, and swivel functionality. Choose from 2 levels of steam for any cleaning job, comes with 2 washable mop pads. Comes with 10 accessories for whole home use: small, big brushes, an angled nozzle, kitchen stove tops, tight spaces, brush for grout lines, sanded, non-sanded, a scrape tool, steamer jet, squeegee, carpet glider, and microfiber clothes, steam clean carpets, rugs and upholstery, remove dried-on messes from microwaves, ovens, sinks, countertops and more. Features a 5M cord, a 350 ml water tank capacity, a quick heat up time and 15 minutes of continuous use with a single refill. Product link is given in the 19th link.